So as you can see, you've got VStart plus theme 7, so you can install a Windows 7 theme or Windows Vista, the VStart application theme. So I'm going to double click the theme-7 folder, and as you can see, my Aerosnap beta has finally started to load up. But I'm just going to double click on the Windows 7 folder here, and as you can see, you've got the UX theme patcher, so you need to run that. But anyway, so you get the point. You get the Windows 7 themes. There's different ones here I've added into the folder. As you can see, I've added the theme 7, the VStart, and I've also added two other themes, the 7VG black RTM theme and the regular theme, which is the regular default blue color for the Windows 7 taskbar and start menu. So I'm going to click out here, and we're going to go check out the game CD keys keygen that I've actually edited. So it's not actually a keygen that I've created myself, but I edited it with Resource Hacker just to kind of show you guys what it is capable of doing. I changed the icon for the program. I changed the owner of the program to my name. And yeah, so it makes it look like it's my program, but then as you can see when it loads up, it's the program that's actually not created by me, created by and compiled by Cobra. So that's the game CD key list 3.90. As you can see, you got a lot of secure serial keys. Then I also added the Cam Studio 7.1.1, or Camtasia Studio, sorry, which is a recording video editing software. You can record your screen, edit your videos, or anything like that. You've also got the Project 64K. This software actually is a emulator for Nintendo 64 games, but it's the online version, so you can play with your friends over the internet. So as you can see, I've got that, and I'm going to go back here, and as you can see, I've got the Windows 7 Ultimate Keygen. Now I'm going to double click this and show you guys it, because it is actually quite an interesting keygen. I really liked it when I first opened it up and found it online. Very simple to use, and it has both all the different versions of Windows 7, and it has serial keys for each one of them that you can generate. So it's very, very awesome keygen. While I wait for it to load up here, we'll just show you guys some other programs here. As you can see, I've got the Zone Alarm Extreme Security 2012 included serial by Exidµئ. Now, Exidµئ is a user on YouTube that makes and cracks software. So if you want to go check him out, his channel is the Mr. Exidµئ, and he's a very good YouTube user. He cracks a lot of programs. He is a hacker, so but he is a good one. He just cracks software, and he does supply legit downloads, so I do suggest going to check his channel out. But don't forget to subscribe to mine, and I appreciate it very much. So I've also got the Visual Studio 2010 Express installation ISO image, so you will need a Magic Disk to actually mount it. And I haven't included Magic Disk in the pack because you can just simply go to Google and type in Magic Disk, and you can click the first link and download it for whatever Windows version you may have. So as you can see, I've also added the Maximum Security, a hacker's guide to protecting your internet, I think it says. It's a hacker's guide for basically protecting yourself from other hackers. and very good guide, a very good long PDF file. I would check it out if I were you. And I've also included the resource hacker. Now the resource hacker is used for editing your operating system and configuring it the way you want to. So say if you wanted to change the text on your start menu, as you can see I have, and in my other tutorial videos I have a tutorial video on how to actually do that with resource hacker. You can watch it if you want. It's on my channel at youtube.com/user/restricted hackers. So anyway, let's move down to Key Scrambler Pro. Now Key Scrambler Pro is a software that enables you to be able to hide your passwords basically, and any other information that you write down in your computer. So what it basically does is when you type something in Notepad or something, you don't have to save it or anything like that. It's just whenever you type something into your computer, it basically encrypts it. So if there's a keylogger on your computer that you don't know about, it'll make it so that keylogger will not be able to decrypt the code and get your password or whatever you're writing down. So I'm going to go into the Bitdefender antivirus folder. So as you can see, I do have the cracked version of Bitdefender antivirus, and it is working. I've already sent it to a few friends of mine online, and they like it, they love it, absolutely love it. I know I do. And just to show you the interface of it, I'm going to double click it here because I do have it installed. Very good antivirus program, very super good. I mean, it's absolutely awesome. When you're going to search up links, say in Google, it'll actually tell you which links are safe to click on and go to, and which links are not, and it will block you from going to malicious websites. And it'll also, when you're typing in your password for a website to log in, it'll encrypt it, so no hackers will be able to decrypt the code and get your password. So it makes it harder for hackers to get into your accounts. So say if a hacker was in your computer and he was planting keyloggers and all sorts of different malware, antivirus, or not antivirus, just Trojan viruses in your computer, this Antivirus Plus will actually get rid of that hacker, and it will enable it so if there is a keylogger in your computer, that it will not be able to get your passwords. So as you can see, you've got the antivirus scan now, privacy, and when you click the scan now button, you have the rescue mode, which reboots the PC in rescue mode to remove malware that cannot be removed while Windows is loaded. So that is a very handy feature. You got the vulnerability scan, and it tells you which each scan is for and how it works. You can manage rules, you can update now, and you can manage network map, and you can also slide over to SafeGo. Now I haven't used SafeGo yet, so I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'm pretty sure by the image of the what do you call it, the speech bubble here, I'm pretty sure it's for basically encrypting when you're chatting with someone, but maybe not, because I know that I've already been chatting with a few people online, a few friends of mine, and what it does is it actually encrypts your whole conversation. So while you're typing, it'll actually encrypt it. So if you type anything in there, like a password or anything to your friend, it'll encrypt it. So if any keyloggers are in your computer, they cannot tell what you're typing. They'll get something totally different than what you're actually typing. So and as you can see, I got the serial for it in here, and I've also got the Bitdefender keygen, which I'm pretty sure is where I got the key in this text document from. But I couldn't remember. I just I knew that this serial key actually worked, so what I did was I copied it in this text document and just put it in this folder for you guys. So it does work. Like, it's no It's not going to tell you that it's already been used or anything like that. It'll work for as many computers as you want. So definitely use the serial key right here. There's no dashes in between anything. It's just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and exit that. I'm going to go back. I'm going to exit off Bitdefender, and don't worry, it's not going to close the program when you click exit. It's just going to minimize it to the tray, system tray. I'm going to go up, and we're going to check out the COD 4 crack plus keygen. Now I'm going to double click the folder, and as you can see, I've got the Modern Warfare 1 Call of Duty 4 game single player crack and a keygen for it from Razer 9 or 1911. Now we all know of Razer 1911, and if you don't, then you're probably not familiar with torrents. And if you aren't, then you can visit my channel, and I'm pretty sure I will have some tutorials basically going over what torrents are, but I'm pretty sure that basically everyone in the world now knows about torrents and what they're all about. So I'm not going to get into it. So I've also included JDownloader. JDownloader is basically a software that allows you to download files from websites. Say if you were at depositfiles.com and you click free downloading, and then it does the stupid little countdown. You can actually make it so you can copy that link and it'll automatically start to download in JDownloader instead of having to wait for the countdown to finish. So that's a very handy software. I've got the Camtasia Studio 7.1.1 as I showed you before. I've got the Malwarebytes anti-malware with serial, Windows XP themes as I showed you earlier, and it doesn't look like the Windows 7 keygen loaded up for some reason, but it does work. I guarantee you that it does work. And I've also got the Browser Guard setup file. Now, Browser Guard is the software that makes it so when you're searching the web, you will be kind of anonymous. So it kind of helps you to be more secure from hackers getting your IP address. And I've also included the AVG Internet Security 2012. Now, this fully works. AVG is not a virus protector that I recommend now that I've found Bitdefender, but if you don't want Bitdefender and it's too much for your computer to handle, then definitely install AVG. So as you can see, I've also got the Bitdefender keygen, which I'm going to double click and show you. And I think that is the last thing in my hackers pack that I need to show you. So once this loads up, I will show you it, and then I'll quickly end the video. Okay, so it looks like the keygen is taking a while to load up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave the link in the description for the download for this hackers pack that I've created myself, and you could download it for free. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.